Yeah, one of the first things I actually made him, my grandfather taught me how to weld, and I made him a Star Trek ship out
Wow,
of out of a bunch of different scrap metal.
that's cool. Welding. Wow.
Yes.
That's something a lot of people don't know about you, I'm sure. When did that start?
So probably like you guys probably are aware too, the pandemic happened.
Yeah.
And photography took a huge decline for that amount of time. So I thought, okay, in the meantime, since I cannot work, I might as well pick up something else. It's more of a hobby with my grandfather, but I like that he was the only one to teach me how to weld. So I've been creating many different things.